welcome back to my channel Mishu TV. Today I found a type of tree called Hunge Mara in Kannada. Translated to English, it's called Indian beech tree. There it is, right over there. I got some leaves from it. Okay, so I know you're gonna be thinking, Indian beech tree? Is there a beach there or something? No, there are no beaches here at all. So this can grow almost anywhere, and I'm going to show you how to make peepees from it. So you're going to have to roll from here till here. You're going to be holding it in the middle like this. Then we're just going to press it a little, not too much, and we're going to blow in there. It doesn't come always, so it's fine if it doesn't come on the first try.